Right, good morning students. Welcome to another lecture of Learning R. So today is day 13 and today we will be learning that just like yesterday what we have done is R Markdown we have converted that document into an HTML, and the last three videos are I was showing you the different options that you can use while you converting your document into an HTML file. Now the same thing we are going to do it into a Word file or a PDF file. So why do you need a link, the PDF file or a Word file instead of an HTML? That is completely dependent upon the user that who is using. Some people are very much easy to have an inclination towards using an HTML link, and some people just prefer PDF or Word file. But if you ask me, then I'm okay with any of those, as long as I'm able to see the document, the code and the result analysis, then anything is fine with me. The one additional advantage with HTML is that you don't have to attach if you want to share the link or if you want to share the file with someone, then you don't have to attach every time the PDF or a Word document. You just simply send the link and they can open the link in throughout the world, anywhere from the world. Okay, so let's begin. So for that, what we need to do, we need to open up a new R Markdown file, and we will create it as PDF example, and then author you can write here as Sid 052, date the same. Now here is the option that the earlier when we created the HTML output file, we have selected this HTML option. Now when you are creating a Word or a PDF document, then you can select any of them. If you want to do a PDF or you want to do a Word, then accordingly you have to select the options. So I'm here selecting the PDF. I'll also show you the option of when you are converting, even if you are selecting PDF, then there is an option to convert that into one Word file. You don't have to do everything here. Okay, so now we have a new file, and as you can see, this is your YML code and the title is PDF example, author is this, date is this, and output is your PDF document. Okay, so as with the previous file for HTML document, what we did, we deleted all the things apart from this YAML code. Now just because we are creating a new PDF file, so it just for this example I'll be copying the complete this thing, whatever we have done in for HTML. I'm just copying it down, so I'm just copy the whole thing, and okay, is there an option? Yeah, Control A, and then you can copy the complete thing and then just you can paste it here. Okay, and then if you want to run the code, then you will get the result also, I think. Yeah, here also you will get the results. Yeah, so now once you have copied it, just one thing you have to do is just delete this YAML code for HTML, and now your file is ready for to be converted into one PDF file. Okay, so now let's knit it, save it, and then it is asking for a location to save it. I will save it as PDF underscore example, and then save. Now it is running, and then in few seconds your file should be ready. Okay, there is an example, there is an error, LaTeX failed to compile PDF example.txt. See debugging for debugging tips, in addition warning message. So there is some error. Let's see what this error. No LaTeX installation detected. Okay, so there is no LaTeX installed in this my system, so let me install this first. So there is some error going on with my LaTeX installation. I have tried multiple times, but it is still showing some error that something is LaTeX is not updated or something. So let's try one more time, either PDF लिखने का, and then see it is showing sorry, but this did not succeed. The log file, hopefully it contains more information, but I have checked the log file also. There is not much information available. So what I will do is I'll show you how to save this file into a Word document, and then same wise is for PDF. So you just have to type Word here, and then just knit on save, and then save it, and then R Markdown. This is your file converted into an Word document. Same wise, once you written the PDF there, the same thing will be converted into a PDF. Anyways, you can save here from here also. Save as PDF. You can in documents, and then you can get the option here. Save it as PDF. So you can save the same file as PDF also. Okay, so here is the PDF version of whatever we have created the earlier. Okay, so okay, this is today's end of lecture. I'll hope to see you tomorrow. Thank you.